Hey.
Ooh, hi.
What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? Hey guys, today I'm on a college campus confronting millennials about something that is literally killing them. Snacks. Check it out. Ooh, barbecue. Those are great. I love how they make them with canola oil, corn oil, and sunflower oil. You know, it just makes them so oily. You, sir, can you tell me what Carnarvon wax is? I know you all want some Tarula yeast. This doesn't have oil, but you want to read the ingredients for me?
Yes. Oh, strawberries.
Yeah.
Who makes those?
Thrive Life. What you eating there?
Granola bar.
Oh, how very healthy of you. Yes. Hey, why don't you read your first ingredient?
Let's see. High maltose corn syrup.
Oh, mine's roasted whole almonds. Bummer. Snack smarter. What are you snacking on there?
Some Skittles.
Oh, tropical. Where did they get these exotic flavors and colors from? Blue One Lake.
Yeah.
Titanium dioxide.
Yep.
Oh, there's a red lake. Great, we should go to this lake. Well, I got something here. Thrive Life Snackies.
Okay.
It's yellow because pineapples are yellow.
Yeah.
And it tastes like a pineapple because it's a pineapple. Kind of weird. Hey, do you have any monosodium glutamate?
What?
Monosodium glutamate. Just, I gotta have that monosodium glutamate. Do you have it? Wait.
No.
Yes, you do. Thank you. I told them if they keep eating like that, they're going to die. Excuse me, I'm on a phone call. Don't be rude. The bad stuff that they're eating is literally printed on the back. They just don't read. Here I am, trying to help people out, and they don't listen. Yeah, I know.
What was that?
Why don't you try it?
Sure.
It's actually not too bad.
Not too bad?
It's good.
Yeah?
It's really good.
What do you think?
Way good.
What is it again?
Thrive Life Snackies. Basically a parfait in a bag.
Oh, that's really good.
I mean, it doesn't have oil, but it's pretty good. Now, I'm going to take this and go build something with the titanium. You take this and remember, snack smarter. Snack smarter. Snack smarter. Snack smarter. Snack smarter, you guys. Peace. Snack smarter! Snack smarter! Snack smarter!